ibigari biri hano bose nta keza kabo katurore no gufata ukoresha doze ziri overdose barenzagaho human being.
Guys back.
Mugabo yagarutse.
Well, he mixed up a couple of guys from other gangs. Should I be concerned? No, it's not.
Uzaho kumwohereza sibyo?
Plans as hard as he can. He not doing anything to us. If so,
wabibonye wamusinze vuga ngo biri hagati yacu.
getting my nerves. Piss off.
Musanze mu bwami bwanjye njye ine mwami. Nta wundi muntu ukwiye gufata imyanzuro cyangwa ngo ashake kwigomeka mu bwami bwanjye. Baragaruka hata baby. Mbyinira. Okay.
You have defeated him.
Babatsinze.
But when you admit to the tournament,
bisa nko rero imyitozo yawe imaze kukwemera ko wajya mu marushanwa.
are you sure you can do this?
Kandi nakwereka ko ibi wabikora. Gute?
What?
Ni iki ko murebana?
You have no confidence?
Habari ikindi kibazo? Habari ikindi evidence? Ikindi kizimije? Mutambwira ko mutanyizeye.
Of course we do. We believe in you. We
Cyane rwose turakwizeye turukwiziriramo. Ariko
whatever you do, nothing will bring him back.
gusa buri kimwe cyose ukora wibuke ko ntacyo bigarura.
Please understand, we don't want to lose you as well.
Nshuti yacu ntabwo dushaka kuguhomba mu bintu bitameze neza.
This.
Just about matters. It's about us.
Mwigire ikibazo ntabwo muzampomba.
See what's going on the streets?
Abantu no mu muhanda baracyakomeza kurenganywa.
Keep Blacksmith flow.
Ariko ntabwo uri itegeko. Hari amategeko agomba kuzabikurikirana. Ayahe mategeko abikurikirana? Sori yumvaga ko atagomba gukomeza kurebera abantu bazira ubusa bahohoterwa, yakoraga ibishoboka byose ngo ariko yatabara.
Go and disappear from the city. Because if you stay here with me,
Ati niba mudashaka mwebwe muve muri uyu mujyi mujye kuri mudashaka gukorana nanjye. Kuko niba shaka kugumana nanjye ntabwo ngomba gukomeza kureba abantu barengana. Ngomba kubyivangamo. Bumvikana bitangiye kuzamo ibibazo. Turori. Yaho yaje. Umugabo bigeze barwanaho. Baramubwira ati nutsinda umugabo ara witeguye kwinjira mu marushanwa. Kagabo karamuhaye yagarutse nyuma y'igihe. Okay. Dore migeri mw'icumi. Naka. Agakoma noneho. Bwa mbere. Yarakadomye. Karapfukama. Movement igaragara. Naka. Yaragahaye karamudomo. Karamuhati barahana. Bibiri kimwe. Karamuhaye bibiri. Karamuhare soasa we kado. Urarenze. Waraye urarenze hita. Demeye kabisa. Gucyano. Hari gagari hano. Duka. Inkoni. Ciao.
now there's no way back. In this tournament are only the best fighters.
Muri aya marushanwa ngiye kujyamo iyi kintu cyonyine kiba kundwanye ni ugutsinda cyangwa ukicwa. Hari indwanyi zitandukanye zitoreje ahantu hatandukanye kandi zose zishoboye. dore amarushanwa indwanyi zibamo. Imyitozo ku mpande za buri ndwanyi katururi. Yaka kibamba mu telefone. Yeah.
We'll see how far it gets.
Ndabona tugiye kubona n'ibindi birori birenze uko hanze. Ngere burugabo kuntu runganda apfuye nawe tugiye guhangana. Iki se kado. Okay.
I expected a little more.
Naritegereje ibirenze ariko ndabona nta birenze.
Something with more style? A huge arena or something?
Ndaketse ko nari ahantu biri butangire ndetse ahantu hari arena nini. Ndetse anga urabona nta hatabera amarushanwa. We kado. Sohoka. Yaje kureba mu rwambariro uko arena itunganywa. Yaka. Ko buri hano Mr. Ndwanyi ziri hano. Abonye ndwanyi muraje muri birwanya. Dore indi ndwanyi. Umusore. Ka, dore ndwanyi we buri ndwanyi mo. Yeah. Ka. Yewe ga. Usha. Yeah. Ndwanyi ziri hano we. So navayo. Najonjora wowe. Nanjye ukwiyahura. Ndakuvuna we. Ngo kiri hano. Dore imigeri ibiri rimwe. Kagabo rimwe karazinga. Mugabo rimwe. Yewe batanarwanye rutarwanye. Yewe gawe. akagabo kari hano bandi nabo barakomeza turore umusore aracyarwana n'abandi baracyarwana bajonjora basigara aka rimwe aka Batayirandara tekinike z'abatayirandi yo gutura akira gapu tubira hasi gutinda kujyayo baka dore agasuri imwe baka byaryoshye ubwo wageze kugenda zihura baka vuba kandi Dorarena dore utuntu dore imigeri yewe gawe okay kamudomye yewe gawe ndagukubita wakana ndagukubita n'abandi nabakubise daka daka yewe gawe daka dore imigeri yepu rimwe yewe gatore shidu daka utuntu bikoreshwa n'uduke araka yepu baramuhana ku biribira ka nirwanya mister abantu barwana Dakadomo dakaha dakaha yepu imigeri dore imigeri mira
Hey man.
bana bimeze bite icyo mbazaniye
For what do you need all this?
Self-defense.
Self-defense, huh?
izo nshinga ni ziki nizo kwirwanaho ariko bakiraho aka harabaje mutuzi
I just came to congratulate Mikey
byukuri nijanga kugira ngo numvishe Michael
and to wish him good luck.
mwifurize amahirwe n'imigisha Michael ni kano gasore
He has done well
ngo akore neza kuko biri kugenda neza
so far.
tagiye kure ariko ndabona hano
But now it's about time to quit.
none reka tubigire nka tuvuge nka ari igihe cyo guteka twese tukarya
Better you lose tomorrow.
ejo mu gitondo uzahomba
You'll find yourself 6 feet under.
yaruta neza ukaba wareka kujya amarushanwa
Just like Mathis.
ukajya kurwana ugatuza mani mwihora ari kugushuta
Stay boys. Come on guys.
sere muze twigendere jinya homba gaturore muzari ihangane bibaho batera mwakuna bashutezi babaho
It's better to give up. No, Mikey. You were right. We are with you and fight till the end.
No retreat. No surrender.
ntabwo gusubira no kumanika twese kuko tugomba gukora hamwe nk'ikipe Yeah.
The companies dominate the city. We're all under their control. And the last few years went quite well for us. And you know why?
Murabizi ko muri mujyi dufite abantu benshi basa nkaho badukurikiye, rero ntabwo dushaka twe ngo dusubire ngo tujye hasi. Uzi impamvu?
If you do not win tomorrow,
Ejo naramuka utsinzwe
you're going to lose the title.
uzaba ugiye guhomba birenze, ugomba gutsinda, urabyumva?
You must not lose.
Ugomba gutuma uriya musenzi ahomba. Wamurya nk'iki, wamugira uti, ugomba kumutsinda. Katurori agiye guhangana n'umuntu muri genge ya Sopol, uriya mugabo twabonye utoroshye, ubikiri gikire bakorana. Sore yaje aziritse Katurori. Imyitozo tu. Usagiye kurwana aziritse cyangwa. Rega nanjye nimukananye ibishimba ntago mba nazirebye. Bazimpa mpita nkora. Just nukumva nkanareba ngakora. Sore yaje hano muri rimwe hano. Aha hantu uramutse uziritse warwana ute? Ese wakwidefanda ute? Wakwata kute? Kiraho maye. Daka ukugana baziritse Turori Kibuka Turori yiwi siko biri serious bahuye we yaha mabwiriza. Yeah. Raka. Kiremve. Raka ni mijeri. Utukumva injereri. Yeah. Kiramuha byanga. Kiramuha nacyo. Yeah. Baka. Tereshudo. Yeah. Baka. Gawose ni ndwanyi Katurori. Imigeri. Twagutanze undi. Bayam. Mutanze. Kubise ikigabo. Mike yakubise ikigabo. Gisiga hari igendera. Yatsinze aba yatsinze. Yeah. Cyatsinze byatinze. Sare muzi n'ibindi. Tugende. Yansebeje. Ibibando Katurori. Michael. Urahari. Sanga n'abandi bariteguye.
You didn't want to listen, huh?
Rero mwumbi.
This time you're not going to get away. You know it, right?
Ntabwo wongeye gukora amahirwe, sibyo?
You and your little pinky winky boys must pay the price.
Ye kubona surprise mutigeze mubona. Kizana abandi Katurori. Cyazanye abantu benshi, indwaye nyinshi. Bande tubahe cyangwa twiruke. Ariko ari hano. Tagire we mubahereza. Turori. Yeah, biti. Giti. Eh. Eh. Yeah. Mbona abakobwa we. Giti. Yapfuye. Yeah. Yeah. Got your bag. Muwakubita sha. Ugire bamurwane. Babamire nabi. Waka. Yeah. Michael. Shit. Sinzi ntacyo bashoboye kabyikorera. Naka. Mukomeze murwane mubahereze. Ababwira ngo urwana ba mewe nabi.
Come on, kick those motherfucking asses!
Yeah. Abo ni byinshi. Batangiye nabo kurwana kunanirwa. Kiri. Hano ureba sha. Biribyo ngunanye gukunda abasore mu bakubite gutyo. Yararebye bagenzi bari mu mamiriwe nabe baratangiye gukubitwa. Ikibazo. Yararebye. Yeah. Ugerageza kukirwana n'abamerewe nabi. Abo ni benshi. Ayo maraso none nshaka kubona yabo. Mvira. Yararebye Mike. Jinya. Tari Migeri. Mike. Police. Kapunu baze yakoraga icyara kanone marakora katururi. Yeah. Kase kayimiki. Arakihorera. Giturika. Kaba yaraturitse. Rasha. Rwanda. Shit. Ujinya. Garewe rahi boss wabo yarahiye. Mike. Sara milioni nabi. Yeah. Dortunu. Katugende oya mugende. Yeah. Hasi. Niko yafashwe. Uruko yafashwe. Yeah. Iki waratana ibazanye katrori. Abo bazanye karahamenyereye. kigiye gucaho kigabo kiramukangana yakangika wakanga ntakangika gangazano
I thought you might need this.
Really sweet of you.
tekereje ko disi turi gufasha basanga batangiye kwiyumvanamo
Yes.
ikimese gute kuki bwibi
Before they let me attend to your wounds. I figured it's better if you already have something for the pain.
ndakeka utu tuza tugufasha kutumva uburibwe mbwa
I miss the good old days.
nari maze iminsi nari gukumbuye ndakubona
Not long ago, when I was still with the psycho dog boss, I always took what I wanted.
buri gihe mvuga icyo nkwiye kuvuga bamushinje
We have not seen each other for a long time.
Yes, Chief.
cyagiye kitabona yego chef bamuhaye tangira kwibuka byinshi dore ibyo arota gusa abagenzi bakubitwa ubwo urahararwana freeze shitukira hejuru itozo dore imyitozo please
It's time.
icyo gihe wait time shyira amapingu
Well,
yari hehe
much do you actually get for it? I've put on the other.
twamushyize ahandi yinjiye
So you won the tournament and flattened Slater.
urashaka murashangwa na Alex Leta yeah
They weren't proper fighters. Now you have to face one.
noneho wahuye na benshi kuri incuge gura n'uwa nyawe
Are big words.
nanga amagambo.
I will leave as the new champion, and no one will remember your name anymore.
Ati ngira bayo ndi nka champion nta numwe rero kuhura nanjye n'ubye gura nanjye uzongera kubibuka izina ryawe ukundi.
I'm not a champion anymore.
Ntago nyiri champion ukundi.
Here for a very long time.
Maze igihe kirekire ndahanga.
As long as you win battles for them, you remain the champion and will constantly have to face new battles.
What are you talking about?
Ese uravuga ibiki ubundi ko nasobanukiwe neza? Uraza kubimenya.
Have new battles in here. Who directed all the tournaments out there? Do you think the gangs were in charge?
Ese ukeka ko amarushanwa hanze hari nta wayateguraga nta gangster nta gang we yagiraga?
Which they are.
Baracyahari hanze kandi.
They dominate the whole city. Everyone, even in here.
Ati bashaka gushyira abasi wese mu mujyi ufite icyo ashoboye yaba ngiye cyangwa wowe n'undi wundi. Dore nguwo dominate niwe mwari umuyoboye.
What do they want?
Icyo bashaka.
Said too much. The answers can be found in here.
Ati wivuga byinshi ibisubizo biri muri wowe ubwawe wabyishakiramo uzabyisangamo. Reka turwane tuve muri ibyo. Bafite impamvu baduteranya. Bafite impamvu batuma turwana. Aka. Yeah. Dore ku muganga muha ibinini za bituma tumva uburibwe sinzi. Dore imigeri. Usura hano hose no mu bigeze abayitoza bari mu myitozo ntajya ataforme katrore. Tumigeri. Yeah. Namwe murabona. Gira hano tayari harafunze aho guhungira hahari badadiye. Hano harava umwe gusa undi ni umupfu. Yeah. Tayari. Mike yakubise umugabo.
Your man lost.
Umugabo wawe wazanye yahombye.
Hendrickson. It was a good fight.
N'indwanyi nziza.
To hear that.
Cyane.
I'm glad to hear that. Now listen, Chief. Unfortunately, one of our employees recently, how should I say, he vanished. What do you mean, Slater?
Ese ushaka kuvuga iki Leta ngo umugabo wanjye n'indwanyi nziza urashaka ngo tumuvane hanga tumukoreshe cyangwa tumurangize.
Kind of news travels fast. Not only here.
Wari tubategura ikibazo cya mbese cyarangiye cyaho tugaye ko nacyo kirangira.
Was at that time and
Barebaga Mike yari indwanyi irenze.
well,
This was before I left the city. You know, Sledder was good, but not good enough.
Anyway, we all know the city has nothing new to offer, so we have decided to extend our territories to your town.
uko biri kose njye nawe ndabizi ko twese turi abantu bumvikana kandi dufite icyo twagera naho dufatanyije urabyumva duteguye ubundi buryo se bw'imirwanire kandi tugasharinga tugashaka undi muntu w'umunyembaraga wahura n'uyu kandi twakunguka bisa nkaho njye umujyi uri mu biganza byanjye mfitiye umugabo ndabyumva ndanabibona nuko abantu bicana abandi baguze banaguzwe wiko umusore yuko bahangana ari byamubwiye ukeka ko kuba aya magenge akomeza kubaho nawe biri inyuma ko abantu barwana ko abandi bagafukira ko nawe biri inyuma ati ninde se byo biri muri uzabyishakira muri wowe uzabyivumburira batweretse kumbi koko bisa nka ibintu byateguwe kuko hari abakomeza kubyungukiramo akaje